Hello my students, how are you? Grade 4. Today we'll solve questions from volume number 1 book. Lesson number 7, topic 3. Choose a strategy to multiply. You can choose an appropriate strategy to multiply, like commutative properties and using distributive properties when you product number between the difference between two numbers or the sum of two numbers. It was me first question here. Simplex has 4 movie theaters. Each theaters have 342 floor seats, 85 middle seats. How many people can Simplex seats? Solve this problem using any strategy you choose and explain your solution. Okay, we have 4 movie theaters. Each theater has 342 floor seats and 85 middle seats. We can use here product by 4, the first and second, and then find the sum of them using distributive properties. Look at here. We can write 4 product by 342 and also 4 product by 85. Or you can use distributive properties. Write height common factor between them 4 times 342 plus 85. Okay, we can add together and then product for the result. Equal, we can write 4 product by 5 plus 2 7, 8 plus 4 12, 2 and the carry up 1, 3 plus 1 4. 4 times 7 28, write 8 and the carry up 2, 2 times 4 8 plus 2 10, 0 and the carry up 1, 4 plus 4 16, 4 times 4 16 plus 1 equals 17. Then the result will be 1708. Okay. Can use this strategy also. It is the numbers first and then the result product by 4. Okay, or using this method, product number by 4, the first by 4 and second by 4, and then find some of the results. They are exactly okay. Next question at the last page, he asked you here, explain what strategy or strategy do you use to solve this problem and explain why. The simple answer of this question: first, you can add 342 and 85. The result will be 427. Find the number of seats in each theater. And I multiply it by 427. Then I used an area model and added the partial product 1600 plus 80 plus 28. Then this is the quickest and easiest way for me to find the product. You can use this method or also using like this. 4 product by, the sum of them was 427. We can write 4 product by, write this number in expanded form. Write 400 plus 20 plus 7. Okay. And then you can write 4 product by 400 and then 4 times 20 and then 4 times 7. 4 times 400 will be 1600. 4 times 20 equal 80. 4 times 7 equal 28. You can add together 8 plus 0 equal 8. 2 plus 8 10, 0 and the carry up 1. 1 plus 6 7 and 0 at 1. The result will be 1708. You can use this method to find the result between two numbers 4 and 427. Okay. Next page. Look at with me. Open your book. Next page here we explain to find the result, like 4 times 125 equal 500. 4 times 120 480. Okay. And 4 times 125 equal 500. Here solution, we can use models like this. 1450 product by 2. We can divide it to this part, about 3 parts. This part here is the area, so 2 times 1000 and times 400 and then times 50 and then sum the results. Find the result. You can use this method. Question number 106. Explain why the answer to each part of the problem above the example. The answer here is the cost of this $500 is reasonable because it is close to the estimate of 480. If we approximate 480 to the nearest 100, the result will be 500. The cost of paying $2,900 is reasonable because it is close to the estimate of 3,000. Total cost 3,400 is reasonable because it is close to estimate of 3,500. Okay, next page. Now he asked you to find the result between two numbers. Look at here. A tire shop sells 3 tires. The cost 175 each, which includes 4th tire for free. Is this more or less expensive than paying for these? The cost 135. We can compare between them. We can find 3 product by 175, and also we can find product between 4 and 135, and then comparing between the results. First question, we can write 3 product by 100 plus 70 plus 5, and this number also 4 product by expanded form of this number for 100 plus 30 plus 5. Using here distributive properties. 3 times 100, it will be 300. 3 times 70 is 0, 3 times 7 equal 21. 3 times 5, 15. And next question here, using distributive properties, 4 times 100, it will be 400. 4 times 30 is 0, and 3 times 4 equal 12. 4 times 5 equal 20. And then you can add together to find the result. Okay, you can add together here to find the result. Write 0 plus 0 plus 0 equals 0. 2 plus 2, 4. 1 plus 4, 5. We have 540 here, and then we can add together 5 plus 0 plus 0, 5. 1 plus 1, 2. And 3 plus 2, 5. 525. Then the result here less than the product between 4 and 135. The answer here will be less than. Okay, less expensive. Okay, write this word, less expensive. What's the product between 3 and 175? 525. And 4 times $135 will be 540. And 525 less than 540. Okay, next question. Find the product, this number here. 74 times 6. 4 times 6 equal 24. Write 4 and carry up to 6 times 7, 42 plus 2 equal 44. And the result will be 444. Also, next question, by 4 product by 309. We can write 4 product by 300 plus 9. Write 4 product by 300 plus 4 times 9. 4 times 300, write double 0, and 3 times 4 equal 12. 4 times 9 equals 36. Okay, you can find the result here. The result will be 6, 3, 12, 1236. Next question. Your solution about steps. You can write, check your answer. Okay, about this question, check your answer like this. 2000 at steps, 2319 product by 5. Look at here, we can write 2000 plus 300 plus 10 plus 9 times 5. Write 2000 times 5 plus 300 times 5 plus 10 times 5 plus 9 times 5. Write 30, and 2 times 5 equal 10. The result will be 10,000. 300 times 5, write double 0, and 3 times 5, 15. 10 times 5, 50, and 5 times 9, 45. Okay, you can add together 5 plus 0 plus 0, 5. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 0, 9. And also 5 plus 0 equal 5. And 1 plus 10 equal 11. Then the result will be 11,525. Okay, check your answer. About question number 18. Okay, next page. Look at this question. Make sense and preserve various gains. Team Maria's dance team wants to pay customs that cost $56 each. $56 each. Okay. We have 523 saved in a fund. How much money will they have left in the fund after they pay 9 customs? Okay, we can add together 9 customs. That's what we have 56, and they have 520 saved in a fund. Okay, we can find the result. Product the number of customs 9. The price of each one 56. We can write 9 product by 56 to find the total amount of 9 customs. 6 times 5 equal 30. 6 times 9 equal 54. Write 4 and the carry of 5. 5 times 9 equal 45. 45 plus 5 equal 50. Okay, then the price of 9 customs, it will be 504. Then he asked about what's the remainder, how much money will they have left the remainder. We can raise the total money $523 subtract by 504 to find the remainder. Okay, we can put 1 13 minus 4 equal 9 and 1 minus 0 1, then the result will be $19. It's the price of remainder with them will be $19. Okay, it's remainder with them. Next question. Rina rents a car for 5 days. It costs $44 each day rent car and $7 each day for insurance. At the end of the trip, she spends $35 to fill the car with gas. What is the total cost of Rina to use the car? Okay, we can raise the total money. Right, we have 5 days. For 5 days, it will be 5 times 44. And also $7 each day. 7 product by 5. Each day, she spent what? $7. $7 per each day for the rent. The rent was $7 at 5 days. And also at the end of the trip, she spent 35 in the car. 35. You can raise the product. 4 times 5, 20. 0 and carry up 2. 4 times 5, 20. 20 plus 2 equal 22. 5 times 7, 35. And also 35. We can add together 220 plus 35 plus 35, 70. And the result will be 290. Next question, number 24. The math club ceremony, there were 17 tables with people seat each table. She just received 2 certificates. How many certificates were distributed at the ceremony? Okay, how many certificates? We can find the number certificated. We can product the number of tables. We have 17 tables. 17 tables with 8 people seats at each, product by 8. And also product by 2. And each class received 2 certificates. And the total will be what? We can product this number and then the result product by 2 using associative properties. 7 times 8 equal 56. Write 6 and the carry of 5. 1 times 8, 8 plus 5 equal 13. Okay. Then the result will be 2 times 6, 12. 2 and the carry of 1. 2 times 3, 6 plus 1, 7. And 2 times 1 equal 2. And then the number of certificates, it will be 272 certificates. Next question. Water inputting from Jersey can reach a temperature of 134 Fahrenheit. The average temperature in Yellowstone National Park is 35 Fahrenheit. Calculate the difference between those 2 temperatures. We can find the difference between 2 numbers. Okay. Take the steps here. 244 subtract by 35. 4 minus 5, we can do it. 40 minus 5 equal 9. And 3 minus 3, 0. And write 2. The result will be 200 degree Fahrenheit. Next question, higher thinking. Monday, Polo sold 21 tickets with a dance. Tuesday, he sold 3 times as many tickets sold on Monday. So the result will be 3 times 21. The total number is the next day. At what? And Tuesday. This here on Tuesday. And also on Monday, we have 20 tickets. 21 tickets at Monday and 3 times 21 at Tuesday. He sold 3 times as many tickets as he sold on Monday. On Wednesday, he sold twice as many tickets as on Tuesday. At here, at Wednesday, twice at Wednesday, twice at Tuesday. Here, Monday, Tuesday. We have here Monday and Tuesday, and this here Wednesday. At Wednesday, twice, Tuesday, twice, product 3 times 21, twice this number. Okay, how many total tickets? We can find the total by product first here and second and third, and then sum together. Right, 21 at Monday, 21 tickets on Monday. At Tuesday, 3 times the number of tickets in Monday. At Wednesday, twice number of tickets in Wednesday. Right, 21 plus 3 times 1, 3, 2 times 3, 6, 2 times 3 times 1 equal 3, 2 times 3, 6. We can add together here 3 plus 1, 4, 6 plus 2, 8, and 3 times 2, 6, 2 times 6 equal 12, 6 plus 4, 10, 0 and the carry of 1, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 8, 11, 1 and the carry of 1, 1 plus 1, 2, then the result will be 210 tickets. This number of tickets will be 210. Okay, next question. Mr. Chen would like to pay a new sofa that costs $934. He can pay the total all at once, or he can make $125 payment each month for 8 months. How much less does it cost to pay all at once? And write the equation to show how you solve and tell what your variable represent. We can write this equation. This equation here costs, the total will be $66. Why? It in is the cost if Mr. Train pays monthly equal as 125. We know 125 times 8 equal 1000. Let the difference, the cost in the D equal 1000 subtract by 934 equals $66. Then the result will be $66. Understood or not? Okay, again we can write 8 product by, there is a unknown here like D, 8 product by 125 subtract by, or subtract by 934. But in this example you won't find two equations. The first equation in equal 8 times 125. The difference between them equals $66. Okay, understood?